Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring a crucial component of the cryptocurrency world, decentralized exchanges or DEXs. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies in a more secure, private, and decentralized manner, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics of DEXs to step-by-step instructions on how to use them. Let's get started. What are decentralized exchanges, DEXs? Before we dive into how to use DEXs, let's briefly understand what they are. A decentralized exchange is a type of cryptocurrency exchange that operates without a central authority. Instead, trades are executed directly between users, peer-to-peer, through an automated process. Key features of DEXs. No central authority, operates on blockchain technology, making it resistant to censorship and centralized control. Privacy, users retain control of their funds and personal information. Security, funds are not held by the exchange, reducing the risk of hacks. Accessibility, typically requires only a cryptocurrency wallet and an internet connection to access. Popular decentralized exchanges. Uniswap, built on the Ethereum blockchain, known for its user-friendly interface and liquidity pools. SushiSwap, similar to Uniswap but with additional features like staking and yield farming. PancakeSwap operates on the Binance Smart Chain, known for lower fees. 1inch, a DEX aggregator that finds the best prices across multiple DEXs. How to use decentralized exchanges, step-by-step guide. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Step 1. Choose a wallet that supports the blockchain of the DEX you want to use, e.g. MetaMask for Ethereum-based DEXs. Step 2. Download and install the wallet app or browser extension. Step 3. Create a new wallet and secure your seed phrase. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. Step 4. Fund your wallet with the cryptocurrency you want to trade. For example, you'll need ETH for trading on Uniswap. Connect your wallet to the DEX. Step 1. Go to the DEX's website, euniswap.org. Step 2. Click on Connect Wallet. Step 3. Select your wallet provider, e.g. MetaMask, and follow the prompts. Select the tokens to trade. Step 1. Choose the token you want to swap from and the token you want to swap to. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to trade. Step 3. The DEX will display the exchange rate and the estimated amount you'll receive. Adjust transaction settings. Step 1. Check the slippage tolerance setting. This accounts for price changes during the transaction. A typical setting is 0.5% to 1%. Step 2. Review the gas fee, which is the transaction cost on the blockchain. Ensure you have enough funds to cover it. Execute the trade. Step 1. Click on Swap or Trade. Step 2. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. This might involve approving the DEX to interact with your wallet and confirming the swap. Step 3. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Verify the transaction. Step 1. Once confirmed, check your wallet to ensure you have received the new tokens. Step 2. You can also verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan by entering your wallet address. Tips for using DEXs. Start small. When using a DEX for the first time, start with a small amount to get comfortable with the process. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and updates in the DeFi space as it can be fast-moving and complex. Be aware of scams. Only use reputable DEXs and double-check token contract addresses to avoid scams and fake tokens. Understand fees. Be aware of both trading fees and gas fees, as they can add up, especially on networks with high congestion. Conclusion, and that's a wrap on our guide to using decentralized exchanges. We hope you now feel more confident in navigating the world of DEXs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.